Hello folks, welcome to the house that never sleeps and welcome to Quick Clip Tips. You know what to do. Hello folks and welcome back again, and I thank you for coming back. I always appreciate that. I just got out of the shower and I'm coming to you soaking wet. Literally. Get ready, put medicine on, and I thought I want to make this video before I put that crap on me. Maybe cue ball come in here, we'll see. Anyways, this video is about classical guitar, or basically guitars with catgut or nylon type strings versus guitars with steel strings. Now, I'm getting the question an awful lot. Can I convert my classical guitar to a dreadnought or a steel string guitar? Basically, the answer is no, you can't do it. I've seen people do it before, and I get guitars in here all the time that's had it done, and every one of them has got damage to the guitar. Most of the classical guitars have got ladder bracing, or not ladder, fan bracing in them, and they're not built to hold up to as much tension, as much more tension as steel strings give. Now I got to take this call. Hold on. I waited all day for that call to come in. Never came in. I turned on the video. What, be 3 minutes into it, 5 minutes or something like that. Anyways, getting back to the guitars. I've had a lot of them come in here where people had converted. They took a classical guitar and rigged it up, put steel strings on it, and it just pulled the guitars apart. Your guitar is not made. Every guitar is made built around a set of strings, okay? I've talked about this before. I got videos about what happens if you change the string gauge on your guitar, electric or acoustic. I got 2 videos, one on each one. Guitars are built around a string gauge, and you know, if you go out of that, too much over that or too much under it, your guitar is going to act funny, if not become unplayable or come apart. So keep that in mind. The same thing applies with classical guitars and dreadnought guitars or steel string guitars and gut string guitars. Now you can put, I don't know why you would want to, but you can put the nylon gut type strings on a steel string guitar. You're probably going to have to set the whole setup's going to change, but it won't hurt the guitar. But I don't know why anybody would want to do that. I've seen it done before too. People do some weird shit, man. But as far as taking steel strings and putting them on a classical guitar, I wouldn't ever recommend that. Because like I say, that fan bracing in there, it's not designed for that, for one thing. Classical guitars are way weaker than, you know, like a dreadnought guitar or steel string guitars are. And if you put steel strings, even light gauge, I wouldn't even do it, man. People say, what about extra light or slinkies or electric or something? Why? Why would you want to do that? Just go out and buy a guitar, man, that's already together, you know, that you can play like that. But that's the tip for today. Don't ever do it. If you got a classical guitar that you admire quite a lot, don't put steel strings on it, ever. Not even slinkies, electric guitar strings, or anything like that, because you're gonna tear your guitar up or break it. So anyways, that's the quick clip tip for today. I don't know how long it is. I was going to time this, but when the phone call came in, kind of lost track of the timing there. But yeah, just keep it in mind, man. Go watch those videos. Just go on this channel and search for string gauge, and both those videos probably come up. One's for what happens to your guitar when you change string gauge on an acoustic guitar, and then months later I made another one, what happens to your guitar when you change string gauge on an electric guitar. So go watch those, and you'll understand a little bit more what I'm talking about right here, and why I can make this video a lot shorter than those are. Thanks for watching. Cheers. I'll see you next time. I'm going to have to put a dry shirt on, I think. I just jumped out, man, put my clothes on and ran in here. Figured I wasn't going to get the phone call now. I mean, it's like almost 10 p.m. at night. I didn't think it was going to get it that late, but anyway, I got it. Got the video, quick clip tip made for you. Here you are. Thanks for watching. See you again soon. And if you're first time here, subscribe, baby. Click that button and learn some shit. See you next time. Anyways, the story is, one of these vehicles out here hit the motorcycle, and I saw the man's arm had blood all over his arm. And we got two police units. And one ambulance. I don't know. Oh yeah, and I wanted to mention, some classical guitars don't have a truss rod. Some of them's not even steel reinforced, it's just wood. Some of them are steel reinforced, some of them do have truss rods. But the ones that don't have, you know, you put steel strings on that, man, you're going to buckle that neck big time. It's going to put stress on it like the guitar's never seen before, like it was not built to ever see. And it's just going to be big trouble. But I want to mention that too. So you got the fan bracing that's not designed for, you know, for the same reason the X bracing is. And some of them do have a truss rod. The rod's very weak. And like I say, some of them don't have any rod at all in them. So keep those things in mind, because that classical guitar will not stand electric strings. I'm telling you, man. Not even slinkies or light gauge or whatever. They won't work. It won't work. It'll eventually pull something off your guitar, pull the bridge off of it. It'll belly up. The neck will warp, or pull the neck loose from the body at the heel joint. I've seen that happen before. I've seen a lot of people try to do this, and you can't do it, man. I mean, it might last a little while. Maybe if you tune it low, but I don't know why you would want to do that, because, you know, just buy you a classical guitar or a dreadnought or whatever you're trying to build. Thanks for watching. Cheers. I'll see you soon. Oh, one more thing, and I promise I'll shut up. I got a guitar coming. Well, it's already here, in fact. Stick around. You'll want to see that guitar and hear the story behind it. I've had it on the channel here before, a long time ago. And I'm going to put it on here again, talk about it a little bit, and fix the brace in it. It's got a loose brace. And I got another tip for you on that, but that's for another video. Cheers. See you there.